Hello everyone, welcome to AutoCetane. In this video, I will show you how to replace your halogen boot lamp with a good brand new LED light. So all the tools that you require to do this job is right here. A simple pry tool and a basic LED bulb just makes sure you have a very good illumination with these bulbs. So let's get started. So in order to open this trim, you need to use this pry bar and gently push it without breaking it, and there is a clip, and that's it. That's how simple and easy it is. And slide it out very carefully without breaking any clips, because these are made up of plastic and with time they get brittle and can easily chip off. So this is your boot lamp, and you can simply replace it with your LED. So this is the LED I am using. It's a very good quality LED. I have used it before. Just break into the packaging, and there you go. So these are brand new LEDs. Just pull the bulb out very carefully, just nudge it left and right and simply pull it out, and there you go. There is a bulb. Keep it at side, and this is your LED, very small but effective. And slide it right into the place, and just before installing it, check it whether it's working, or else you need to change the orientation of the bulb. And there you see it's not working. That means you need to change the orientation of the bulb. Again, pull it out like this, see, and I will change the orientation, and again I will slide it back to the slot. Okay, now let me check it. There you go. So it is that simple. And now in order to reinstall it, slide it back into the place and simply push it with a light touch, and that's it. That's how you change your boot LED. Simple, easy, no rocket science. So that's it pretty much. And if you're not a subscriber, then do consider subscribing the channel. So thanks for watching.